The moisture levels look good here.
Yes, but check the nitrogen on this row. We might need to adjust the feed.
Keep the flow steady, we're almost at capacity. Understood, slowing down. All right, bring it in slow. Looks good from here, boss. All right, keep it coming back slowly.
Looks good from here, tilting the bed now.
The cleaning stage data is stable.
I agree, the VT levels are perfect.
Let's maintain this pace for the hour.
We're seeing near perfect separation with the new VT drum.
The efficiency is remarkable.
Let's log the data.
Keep an eye on the flow rate, Charles.
Adjusting the knob now.
Looks good, the kernels are reaching optimal moisture.
The sample has been acquired. Data looks consistent.
Initiating the moisture content analysis.
Looks good. Moisture content is right where it should be.
Agreed. The flow rate is steady across all belts.
The semolina flow rate looks stable on screen 3.
Yes, and the pressure levels are optimal. The VT stamp is clear.
The flow rate looks consistent, perfectly golden. Yes, quality check approved. The flow rate seems consistent at 50 tons per hour.
Yes, the level is rising steadily.
Everything seems to be running smoothly.
Yes, the semolina looks great.
Keep it on setting 4 for another 90 seconds.
Noted.
The elasticity looks excellent. I'll prep for the pause sequence.
Make sure it catches the groove.
Got it. Push in the next batch now. The VT dough is extruding smoothly at this pressure.
Agreed. We should maintain this setting for the batch.
The humidity levels look stable now.
Yes, yes, the texture is perfect at the exit. I'll log it.
The workers' uniforms should be blue with a red VT stamp on them.
We're hitting target capacity on the penne line.
Good. Keep monitoring the moisture levels.
The workers' uniforms should be blue with a red VT stamp on them. The flow looks consistent, but let's increase the heat in the next stage.
Okay, dialing it up now.
Accuracy is excellent today. Look at the data here.
Yes, the adjustments we made yesterday are working perfectly.
We had another rejection at sensor 3. Good. The calibration seems accurate.
We did it! 100% quality pass.
alignment on row 3.
Looks good now. Keep it moving.
Look how fast the VTG 500 is wrapping that load.
Yeah. The tension on the film is perfect too. No wrinkles at all. We are already seeing the impact on the units produced. The efficiency is holding steady at 98.
Excellent. Let's maintain this pace through the next shift.
The thermal readout on Sector 4 is spiking.
I see it. Reroute auxiliary cooling immediately.
Command executed. Levels are stabilizing.
The energy spike at 1400 hours correlates with the pump activation.
Yes, but the water flow normalized quickly.
The workers' uniforms should be blue with a red VT stamp on them.
Make sure the boxes are aligned correctly.
I got the next batch ready.
How are we looking on the penne today?
We're fully stocked, ready for the afternoon shipments.
We're seeing a spike in the VT4 matrix.
I'm on it. Stabilizing the feed.
Look at the growth rate on these.
We're exceeding all the sustainability targets.
The data on the clipboard confirms it.
The output on Unit 7 is fluctuating more than the projection.
We should run a level 2 diagnostic when we get closer.
All right, tilt it slowly. Watch the flow on the belt.
Tilt the bins slowly, making sure they don't jam the belt.
Got it. Watch the flow on your side.
The temperature is holding steady at 27.
Good, the viscosity looks right too.
The flow rate seems stable, but check the temperature on the centrifuge.
Already on it. Quality control just pulled the sample.
The flow rate looks good on the monitor.
Yes, and the bottle weight is consistent.
All right, let's plate this Barilla. More Parmesan on top, quickly. And the basil right there.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you very much. And some cookies of anything.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you so much. As you can see, the new automation has increased our throughput by 20%.
That explains the efficiency reports. The VT integration looks seamless.
You did good work today, Mama.
Thank you, son.
Ready for home?